Let's talk about Atlassian's interesting adopted child that has taken the center of attention and is quickly on its way to outpace Jira and Confluence, and that is Loom. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and let's jump into what Atlassian announced at Team 25 with respect to Loom. Right, so 200 million meetings have been replaced by Loom since 2024, and Loom is an interesting product that Atlassian acquired a couple of years ago and has quickly been growing. In fact, Atlassian said at the beginning of the keynote that Loom is one of their fastest growing apps that they've ever had. And Atlassian, to my surprise, gave Loom a lot of attention at Team 25. And so, one of the first things that we're going to have is there is now video editing with AI. So, you're going to be able to edit your videos, your meeting minutes, meeting notes, whatever you want to do here using the power of AI. And that's going to be really, really cool because it's going to make creating professional feeling videos a lot easier, a lot more seamless. And I think it's going to incentivize folks to create videos because it's going to take a lot of those and all those filler words and all those awkward moments. I think this is the right move. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. Next up, we have the recording button is naturally being embedded into the Atlassian UI. And you've probably already seen this. You've already probably seen the record button in your Jira tickets. You've probably already seen it inside of Confluence. And so naturally, Atlassian is embedding Loom. And so you're going to be highly incentivized to create Loom videos straight from wherever you're at. So you can avoid context switching and just be able to capture things. But the most important thing that Atlassian is introducing here, and this is something that they teased for a while now, and this is the reason I'm most excited for Loom and its tight integration with the rest of the Atlassian tools, and that is for bug reporting. And so what Atlassian is basically highlighting here is you're going to be able to record a Loom video of a problem, right? Some sort of you're creating an app, it's not working, you're gonna be able to create it. And from that video, you're gonna be able to create a Confluence page, you're gonna be able to create Jira tickets, specifically bugs, and you're gonna be able to sign them. And it's gonna be really, really cool because all of this is just natively gonna happen with a couple of clicks and you don't have to do a lot of overhead. Today, if you find a problem, you gotta document the problem, you got to do your steps to reproduce. Then you got to figure out where to go file the bug. And then you got to create the bug. And then you got to copy data. And then there's user error. It's a lot of hoops, right? So with this integration of Loom and Jira and Confluence, you just simply capture the Loom and everything else will happen magically. So very, very excited about this one. This is my favorite feature and a much welcome feature. And I really, really like Loom for this particular use case. I'm very excited to try it out. I haven't had a chance to try it out, but it's definitely something I'm going to be trying out as soon as I possibly can. And for more videos, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section, what do you think of the Loom features? Do you like all the buttons being natively integrated into Jira and Confluence, or do you find them mildly annoying? Let me know in the comment section down below.